Uh-oh.
I got you muddy.
No. You're okay. Have fun. Jump a jump. So we're going to have to strip you bare in a minute. Nice one.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. You just stay right here in our yard and jump and jump. Nice.
Oh, man.
What?
They're going...
I told you they were going to leave in just a second. They just come to drop something off or pick something up and then to go again. They don't live there. They're just visiting. Yeah. I don't know if that's a good idea. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hurry up because it's starting to get heavier. So we're going to have to go in and clean you up in a second. All right, let's go clean you up. You are soaking wet. Whoa. All right, let's go.